Okay, hey y'all, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. I'm in front of a praying hands banana clump with Erik and his wife over there.
Lacey.
And we're going around and he's taking some corms to bring home. And I'm gonna go ahead and have him, for the first time, remove that corm right there.
Yep.
So we're gonna let him go at it.
Sounds good. Thank you, Sam. So we talked a little bit before you turned on the video, and you mentioned making a nice firm cut there, real close to the main stalk. So I'm just cutting just directly down, right?
Nope.
Nope.
Hold up.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And then just go straight down from here,
Just
correct?
like that.
Sounds good. Thank you for
On that angle.
Awesome. Feeling it kind of hitting something, some resistance there, so just keep...
Go ahead,
kinda...
pound it through, all the way. Wobble it back and forth and get it. Keep going, keep going. Here,
Hit
hold
it from
on.
the other side too, maybe?
Push this that way just a little bit.
Awesome.
All right, so maybe, no, we don't want to do anything like that. So,
okay.
What you want to do now is take that out.
Yep.
And dig the front section.
Around the front?
Yeah, but turn the shovel around.
So dig from here and underneath it?
Yep.
Am I far enough back
You're
from
good, you're good.
the plant?
Okay, just a little bit. See if it'll lift up. Go ahead. Nice and easy. Okay, now get the side of it.
Side? Sounds good. Doesn't matter which side, right?
Yeah, remember those are fiberglass shovels. They don't take a lot of bending. Okay, now come on this side.
Okay. All right, come around this side. Getting it from right there?
Yep. Okay, hold
Still
up.
feels like it's pretty secure in there.
Yep, now, hold on. Go back to the back side.
Yep, back here where we started.
Yep, and
okay.
Go ahead and see if you can find that same hole.
Yep, I did.
Just wobble it. Okay, now go from the side.
Okay.
Okay.
Looks like it's popping right up.
Yep.
Go ahead and grab it?
Well,
or?
no. Go ahead, pop it out first.
Okay, sounds good. There we go.
Yep. Okay, you got a little bit more to go. Go ahead.
Go ahead and grab it, or?
Well,
or
no. Go easy with the corn. Grab the whole dirt. Yeah.
Got it.
You see that part?
Yep, right there.
Yep.
Cut in a little bit more.
Yeah. Come on this side.
The wrong angle there.
Okay, now see if the whole thing lifts up. Okay.
There it goes.
Now grab it from the bottom. Does the whole thing come up?
It did.
All right, shake all that dirt in that hole.
Oops. Uh-oh. Kind of came off around it.
Yeah, now you know what I'm talking about.
Beautiful corm.
Yep, pretty good. You got roots and you got the corm. That should be good. I would have liked a little bit more.
A little bit more on that part right there.
Yep, so let's do another one.
Sounds good. You put this over in the shade so it doesn't get dried out.
Okay. Now we're going to do this one. So hold up. Now that's what that angle is for. I want you to come in here.
Yep.
Okay. And remove some of this like that.
Sounds good. So I'm just getting some of this out.
Up against the parent plant.
Alrighty.
Okay, now I want you to come in here like this.
Yep.
Like that angle right there. And pound it down.
Straight down.
Yeah.
Ooh, hello. Probably should have worn some better boots.
You get, do it back and forth. No, back and side to side. And then do it.
Sucker's in there pretty strong.
No, don't do
that.
Nope, you break the shovel.
Keep going straight?
Yep.
Okay.
Wobble it back and forth, sideways, yes. All right, now we'll come over to the other side over here.
Yep, to the front?
Right, no, here.
Right there? Okay.
The same way. The shovel's got to be facing,
Nope, other way.
No.
That way?
On an angle, though.
Got it, so it's going down straight like that.
Away from the corm. No, towards the parent plant.
So that way or no? Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like didn't quite get deep enough. Do it again.
Yeah, but you got to remember, you got to keep the angle that way.
Angle that way. I gotcha. Hopefully I can get leverage up over the top of that. I feel like I'm kind of hitting a wall.
Well,
keep pounding away at it.
yep. Okay. Okay, that's
Am I
good.
getting it or no?
Yeah, now come in the front,
Sounds good.
both sides.
On this side and then also on the other side?
Yeah, yeah, but it goes, yeah, like that.
Down straight. Okay.
Yep. Now pull gently and do the other. Okay, do the other side.
Right here?
Yeah, remember if you go too hard with a shovel, you'll break it.
Got it.
Fiberglass will break. Okay, see if it moves.
Back on this side?
Well, wait, put it in the front.
Yep.
And see if you can get under and lift a little bit.
Right
let's
here?
See, yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see how it lifts. Easy though. Okay, hold up. Now you got to get the back side.
Over here?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, wobble like this and
Yep.
then do it again. Yep.
So sorry.
Only side to side now. Do it again.
And so I'm lifting out? Or no?
No, just side to side.
Got it. Okay.
And then pound it down.
Got it.
Okay. Now this side, the back side again.
Over here?
Yep.
Okay.
No, look at the angle.
Oh, so I want to go like that, right?
Yep.
So was this corm or this little pup was connected to both the two of these? Is that right?
We don't know until we get it up. Okay,
Got it.
come to the front over here.
Okay.
And let's see if you can scoop all the way under it. And we'll gently lift. Now see what happens. Gently. There it is.
There we go.
Okay, now where was it cut from? Okay, take all the dirt off of it. Yeah, you can shake it. Where?
Right there.
There you go. So
Yep,
which?
so it came off of this one.
Yep. And look where you got it.
Yep. Right there.
Okay, take all that off.
Sounds good. When you shake it like that?
He's finding out it's not that easy.
It's not. Yeah, with Sam on these videos, he makes it look pretty easy, but it's a little harder than it looks.
Yeah, but look at that cut you did. Look how big it is. Turn it this way.
That's
See
a
that
pretty
cut?
pretty righteous cut right there.
You
so.
got it. That's a really good one.
Fantastic. Thank you,
Okay.
Sam.
Here, hold this.
Awesome.
Hold that. Yeah,
Alrighty.
one hand, one hand. All right, so what do you think for your first time?
Thank you. No, it was good. It's a little bit more involved. I kind of, from watching your videos, thought it would be a little easier making a couple cuts and pop it on out, but it was a little bit more involved. But I think the key is making that angle, and I wasn't quite going at the right angle at first, but thank you for the guidance on that, Sam.
Okay, so hey, this is the first time of separating a banana pup. This is a praying hands. Hope you enjoyed. This is Sam the Frugal Gardener. Have a good day.